Bacon makes everything better. That's my philosophy. If you're watching this video, my channel, you probably agree with me. Today I'm gonna show you something that a lot of you may not know about. It's called candied bacon, pig candy, Candied bacon. There's all kinds of names out there for it. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna take just thick cut bacon and we're gonna paint it and dust it with sugar and spices. It's gonna come out with like a candy crunch to it on the outside and just a little bit of spice to it from the rub. You can serve it at a party. You can take it to a party. You can just eat it for dinner. You can just snack on it. One thing's for sure, it's gonna get eaten, and all of it is gonna get eaten. Really awesome to have you stop by the channel and spend some time with me. I'm Mike, you're at Delmarva Backyard. If you enjoy videos to do with barbecue and beer, you're at the right spot. If you see anything on the channel to do with the products that I'm using, hit the show more button down below. There's more information down there if you're interested. I'd really appreciate it if you enjoy the video. Please smash that like button, leave comments down below, and share the video with your family and friends. The biggest tip I could give you in this video is to make sure you buy twice as much bacon as you think you're gonna need. This is 3 packs of extra thick center cut bacon. For the rub, I'm gonna go with 2 tablespoons of Killer Hogs barbecue rub, 2 tablespoons of coarse salt black pepper mix. Now this is a 60-40 mix. It's 60% pepper, 40% salt, ½ cup of brown sugar, and I'm gonna put that in my shaker. And that's what we're gonna put on the bacon. And I just have wire racks sitting on cookie trays here. Kinda help keep the mess to a minimum. Coat one side of them, and then I'll come back, flip them, and coat the other side. I ended up mixing 2 batches of rub for 3 full packets like this to do both the top and the bottom. It took 2 batches of that rub. Okay, so it's all rubbed down. Now it's time to get it on the smoker. So I'm cooking on the Rec-Tac pellet grill today, and we're gonna cook at 300 degrees. And the reason for that, brown sugar starts to burn at about 330, 350 or so, and it leaves like a bitter taste. So we don't wanna go anywhere near that. We're gonna stay at 300. We're gonna cook it kind of slow. That gives us time to baste it and you know, kind of let those sugars caramelize. You can't see it, but in the back I have my amazing smoker tube filled with pellets. Well, it's about half full, and that's because, you know, the cook's only gonna take about an hour or so with 2 rounds. All right, so now we need to get our base ready for the bacon, and I'm gonna give you the ingredient amounts based on a single batch, but I'm making a double batch because I have so much bacon. So the ingredients are a ½ cup of brown sugar and a ½ cup of maple syrup, ½ cup of apple juice, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. In this case, it'll be 2. If you want a little extra heat besides the rub that we put on there, now would be your time to, you know, add something into here, you know, pepper sauce or some, you know, whatever you want to do. 10 minutes in. Yeah. basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna create layers of candy sweetness. And we're gonna do one side at a time. Just gonna kinda let that guy. Everything here, guys. We don't want that bacon to get too crisp. We're gonna go 5 minutes and then we're gonna flip. 5 minutes is up. We're gonna go ahead and put another layer of our base on and let that caramelize. There we go, 5 more minutes. All right guys, 5 more minutes is up. Now I'm not gonna flip on this round, I'm gonna rebase the same side. We'll go about 7 minutes or so. Time to flip. They're looking so good. All right, so if you're not using a Rectac, you know, you gotta be careful that you don't have hot spots. The Rectac's really good at, you know, having an even cooking temperature over the whole cooking surface. But not all grills are like that, so you need to be careful of that. Otherwise your bacon's gonna finish at different times. You may need to pull it, you know, at different times or rotate it. I'm gonna keep checking it. I don't want it to be crispy, I want it to just start looking crispy. All right, let's take a peek. Just want it to be pretty close on the edge of developing that crisp. 5 more minutes.
Really good.
Like it?
It's sweet. Really good. And some really good bacon.
I don't know whether it's dinner or dessert. It's delicious. Total cook time of about 45 minutes. The thicker the better. It's amazing.